This is Gloucester, and we're at the foot of the World Heritage Barrington Tops National Park. Oh, there's Helen. Yeah, come in here. We'll go and see Helen. So we're both volunteers for Fauna, which is wildlife rescue organisation up here. We just look after animals who have mostly fallen afoul of humans. When they're orphaned, they would have been having milk from their mothers. So they're fed that and then slowly weaned off. Here, where I am, we've got release pens in our yard when the time's right for them to go. Some of them race out the gate and they're like, yeah, freedom. Some of them you never see again. Others might come back. The Knitting Nannas, we've pledged to protect land, air and water for children. So whenever we're out there fighting, that's who we're fighting for.
I think the whole Nana concept's quite clever. Even if you've only got 10 nanas at a protest, they're very visible.
Oh, make it cleaner. Oh, make it greener. Oh, make it fast and make it last and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future and we need to start right now.
It's clever and funny and a little bit engaging, I think.
It's still with a big message delivered in a soft way. That's what the knitting is too, I think. It's peaceful and it's calm. The ways we describe ourselves is sitting, knitting and plotting too.
Yeah.
I know, I had no idea when I did bush regen a few years ago.
How old were you when you learnt?
Does that work actually?
I learnt when I was 8.
Did you?
From my grandma.
Ah.
And although mostly the nanas just go to politicians' offices and things like that, it is part of the Nanifesto that we do civil disobedience.
The Knitting Nannas are not affiliated with any political party. We annoy all politicians equally.
We were hearing that law had come in as we were driving back from Sydney. And someone rang us from The Guardian and said, would you still do it? And we blithely said, oh yeah, of course we would. And then afterwards we thought, oh, would we? If you knew you might go to jail for 2 years? Like, it was quite a shock. And so I think the point of the challenge was that really it wasn't trying to protect the public or anything like that. What it was really trying to do was scare people so that they wouldn't protest at all.
We wouldn't have even known you could do that
probably
without the EDO. They explained everything to us so well, didn't they?
Yeah.
Like we had multiple conversations and Zooms and everything. But constitutional law is like...
very complicated.
Yeah.
And I guess this is where they get ordinary people as well. People get bamboozled and give up because it's all too hard. I think when the nanas get together, we always have a bit of a laugh and a bit of a joke around and can be a bit silly and
fun, lots of fun.
But we know we're all on the same page and that helps a bit.
It's a great community. It's fun. Everyone's lovely and they're interested. If you're looking at that, they're your sort of people because they're in the same space that you're in.
Come and join us. Find your local groups. Find out if there are Knitting Nannas near you or an XR group near you or a local environmental group or a local group that's doing bush regen. Find your local people and join up with them.
Community, all about community. Get out there, get in community.